Are you seeing the big picture? Let's zoom into the details. Here's what you can look forward to before, during, and after a workshop.
Before any workshop ever starts, we really go back and forth in a collaborative way to find out exactly what questions and concerns stakeholders do have in the watershed. We provide them with what would help them meet those short-term or long-term goals. For the Purgatory Watershed Partnership, we had digital data as well as handouts and wall maps. The data literacy workshop was just a really exciting experience. The people that attended the workshop, they were artists and soil scientists and engineers and hydrogeologists and everything in between and outside. Every time we put up a new data set, somebody had a story. People were sharing what they know. They used the data that we brought as a stepping off point. So everybody walked out of there with new friendships or new collaborations, and we're so glad we were there to not only provide that space for that to happen, but also to witness it.
Your deliverables last when invested people together translate data into a plan.
I think these data literacy workshops are a great tool for watershed groups that run the spectrum as far as what kind of data and how much data they have. So I definitely recommend it to anybody that may have an interest in data in their watershed.
Elephantfish is one of the many partners we join forces with, and we tailor included groups to suit your needs.